In this series of videos, we're going to create an app that I'm calling City Guide. And what we're creating is a listing of different things to click on. This is being generated from an array. If you click on one of the bottom choices, it should just show a picture, and it's just a new activity that's showing a picture of that particular event. Or that was in case in Chicago, that was the water tower. Navy Pier, same scenario. But on the top two, we're going to be launching a web application. So not a web application, but a website. So I'm going to choose just once. And there's the website for that particular link. And then there's a website for the Art Institute of Chicago as well. And we're being taken to that web page. So that's what we'll be working on in this series of videos. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is bring in our icon, our launcher icon. And so to do that, I'm going to go into my resource folder, go to the layout, right click on Activity Main, and go right to New and use my image asset wizard. So we'll click on that. And then we will go through the motions. We've done this in prior videos, but I'll do it again. So I'm going to, I just got the, before I started this video, I copied in the path of the image that I wanted to use. And so I'll just paste that in there so you don't have to watch me drill through a zillion directories in my, my computer here. You can trim it, you can resize it, you can use this trim in the background. So remember, there's foreground, there's background, and then there's also legacy, in which we might choose this to be circle and this might be circle, so something along those lines. And then we're going to click on next. Remember that this file is going to overwrite the default file, so the default files already have names. The red is indicating that we're going to overwrite with the prior launcher icons with our new one. And so then I will click on finish. And then from here, if we launch our emulator, I will pause and do so, and I'll be right back to you. All right, so here's my emulator. Didn't do anything, so apparently nothing's showing up. That makes sense. So if I click on my home button, and thank you, got it. Click on the icon or wherever your launcher is coming from, and then I should be able to click on, there's my icon, my launcher icon, so I can click on that, and here we go. So now in the next video, we'll set up an array for our list items.